and he also talks about the flow state. Have you both understood the flow state?
No, that's not
No,
clear.
you didn't understand flow state. Okay. So अब मुझे ही समझाना पड़ेगा. Flow state means it was a quest between the again pleasure and happiness. So
Yes.
this interviewer asked one question that many times climber, one who climbs a mountain, while climbing the mountain, they think that, oh, it's very tedious and very hard to, because there may reason could be anything, it's very hard and difficult. And while climbing, they say they generally have a feeling that they will not climb again. But after climbing and again returning back, after few months, they will again go for another climb. So he asked this to the this speaker. So speaker answered it. It's not a question of feeling or sorry. It's not a question of happiness or pleasure, or they like or don't like. It's not quest of that, or it's not a question of that. The reason is flow state. Flow state is a state where you are not afraid and not nor you are completely happy. You are just enjoying. You are just into the flow. You are busy, not stressed, and not not out of complete, not out of stress. Means it's a middle state. You are willing to do, you are into it, you don't bother about external things. That is a state is called flow state. Okay. Many times whatever you, if you like something and you do it, where the time goes you never know. So that is a flow state. कई बार पता नहीं चलता टाइम कहाँ चला गया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अवर सेशन initial like half an hour where it will go, half an hour where it will go, you will not understand. But so kind of that. अब मेरा इसी पे क्वेश्चन है.
This position is related to something saturated situation, or at the stage where you don't have any emotion. Or if you're doing the thing, it's not matter that you got the victory, but you don't have any emotion. You're not willing to express your emotion in front of the other. That type of state is flow state.
Okay. Are you sure, Nimish sir?
I'm asking to you.
Okay. अच्छा ऐसा है. Flow state is a state where you forget the emotion. You enjoy whatever you are doing. You forget about time. You forget about happiness or sadness. You forget everything. You are just enjoying your work. That is the flow state.
It means that if you indulge in any work.
Indulge, involve, completely involve into work.
Completely involved in any work without thinking the outside circumstances and other things also.
You are not bothered about how much time it takes. You are not bothered about that whether it will result into positive outcome or negative outcome. You just enjoy doing it. That is a flow state. Okay.
Okay.
अब मैं इसी पे क्वेश्चन, यू बोथ अंडरस्टूड राइट, इसी पे क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. ओके. टू सक्सीड इन लाइफ सो लाइट बोल गया. टू सक्सीड इन लाइफ, what is more important, flow state or deliberate action? अब deliberate action का मतलब पता है, or should I say it, बताऊं? बोलूं? Deliberate means precisely thought, carefully planned. जो सोच समझ के जो एक्शन लेते हैं ना, वो डेलिबरेट. प्लानिंग, कैलकुलेटेड प्लानिंग, वो सब सोच समझ के किया हुआ काम, ठीक है, वो है. दूसरा है फ्लो स्टेट, ये कर रहे हो, करते जा रहे हो, ठीक है. सो अब मैं एग्जांपल दूँ तो, अगर सिंपल में बुक का एग्जांपल दूँ तो कई बार हमें स्टोरी बुक पढ़ते हैं ना, तो हमें क्या होगा पढ़ते पढ़ते आगे निकल लेते हैं. बट व्हेन इट इज़ योर, for example, Nimish Sario's bank related book, which has lot of concept and terminologies, it will be difficult for you to read. But the one who has a technical knowledge, for him it is very easy to complete that full book. So while reading a interesting book, you may enter into the flow state.
Yes.
बहुत लोगों को पढ़ने का शौक होता है, वो इजीली फ्लो स्टेट में चले जाते हैं. एंड दूसरे को मार पीट के पढ़ाना पड़ता है, उसको प्लानिंग करके एग्जीक्यूट पढ़ना पड़ता है, इतने टाइम में इतने चैप्टर करने हैं। आंसर कर पाओगे? दूसरा क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करूँ? ट्राई इट।
It's a little bit difficult, but not impossible.
हाँ, वेरी गुड।
Flow state and
डेलिब्रेट प्लान्ड एक्शन बोल दो यार, केयरफुली प्लान्ड बोल दो एक्शन, या फिर क्या बोल दूँ? चलो रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड स्टडी रख दो, चलो उसको हटा दो।
result oriented, result.
हाँ,
Sir, definitely, if you compare both of them, one side is flow state and another.
एक मिनट और सिंपल कर देता हूँ। फ्लो स्टेट और हार्डवर्क रख दो, ठीक है?
Flow state and hard work.
अब आपको बोलने में अच्छा लगेगा। एक पे दिमाग में प्रेशर डालने पड़ेगा, पढ़ना है तुझे, दूसरे में पढ़ने का मन हो रहा है। रविंद्र, हैव यू
Sir,
अंडरस्टूड?
result oriented both.
हाँ हाँ
Yes.
ओके ओके, ठीक है। और जान
We have
ये
to
सब
describe that.
कुछ नहीं। हैव यू एवर एंटर्ड इनटू फ्लो स्टेट? निमित सर, ऐसा कभी हुआ है क्या? फ्लो एकदम फ्लो में चले गए और भूल गए दुनियादारी सब? मजा आएगा अब मैं पूछ
But
रहा
I
हूँ।
don't think such a state I have entered. I have never entered in such a state.
यू हैव नेवर
Flow state
एंटर्ड?
is not for ordinary. Sir, I'm just an ordinary person with some ordinary needs and living in this extraordinary world. So a lot of extraordinary persons are there. That state is for those persons, not for ordinary persons.
Okay, then-
like there is saints, and we were just watching the videos of Buddhist persons, like such type of Mahatmas is there. So I think the flow state is made for that person who is just indulged in doing anything or doing worship or doing scientific activities, for those person who is just out of the boundaries, you can say. So
Who has no boundary.
being a banker, I'm not interested in to go in flow state because it's very difficult. As for I concern, I believe in hard work and result oriented teams and activities. And my thinking that if you are getting, if you are wanna result, then your activity must be in parts by parts. Just try to break the targets into the parts and achieve the thing in a very easy manner.
ओके, लेकिन आपने स्कूलिंग की होगी, कभी खेले हो ना क्रिकेट या फिर फुटबॉल या कुछ भी गेम्स? दैट टाइम यू फॉरगेट टाइम, और भूल गए, घर पे बुला रहे हैं, कोई बात नहीं मैं तो खेलूंगा। हैज एनीथिंग हैपेंड लाइक दैट?
It's not.
कोई बात नहीं, एक
I'm
एग्जांपल
not
देता हूँ, ये
able to-
सबके साथ होता है। आई एम गिविंग वन एग्जांपल, इट हैपेंस विद एवरीवन।
I think result-oriented work it also comes in flow state. I think.
Yes, we can consider, but how we consider that matters. Result oriented work means you are working but you are not bothered about result. Niskam karma, that is
Yes.
statement in the Bhagavad Gita. कर्म करे जाओ फल की मत चिंता मत करो, that one. That is the flow state. It talks about the flow state. Be with the flow. Be with the flow is the statement by Buddha. It also talks about the flow state.